Are you living with purpose, or are you simply moving through the days? Pause for a moment. Take a slow breath. Be completely honest with yourself. Most people carry dreams deep inside. They dream of learning, growing, achieving. They want confidence, fluency, success, respect, freedom, and joy. But day after day, they remain the same. Think back to yesterday. Did you learn something new? Did you take even one step closer to your dream? Or did you lose hours scrolling, watching, and waiting for a perfect moment that never came? If you are truthful, you already know the answer. You are spending the most precious thing you own, your time. This is not just another video. This is not just English practice. This is a reflection, a mirror, a wake-up call. Look closely at the life you are living now. If you keep delaying, nothing will change. Your opportunities will pass, your energy will fade, and your dreams will slip further away. But here is the good news. You can begin today. You can begin now. This lesson will guide you forward, teach you English, and help you build a stronger life. So let's begin. Lesson 1, time shapes your life. Time is not just hours and minutes. It is not simply morning, afternoon, or night. Time is the story of your life. Every second you live is a line in your book. Every hour is a new page written. When you waste time, you are not just losing minutes. You are giving away pieces of your life. Think about this clearly. You are not killing time. Time is killing you. Every time you say, "I'll start tomorrow," the clock moves forward. Every time you scroll for one more video, the clock moves forward. Every time you stay in bed when you could rise and grow, the clock moves forward. And each tick of the clock pulls you closer to the end. The minutes you waste are gone forever. You may not feel it now, but it is real. You are getting older. Your parents are getting older. Your energy is running lower. Your dreams are waiting, but they cannot wait forever. One day you will look back and ask, "Where did my years go?" Do not let that day come without action. The solution is simple. Value your hours as if they were gold coins. Spend them wisely. Cut 1 hour of distraction each day. Replace it with reading, listening, learning, or creating. Do one small action that moves you forward. Time can be your best friend, but only if you respect it. Lesson 2, stop excuses, start ownership. Many people spend their whole lives blaming. They blame their parents for not giving them enough. They blame their school for not teaching them well. They blame money, society, or even bad luck. But the truth is this: blame does not change anything. Blame keeps you stuck. Winners think differently. Winners say, "I will build from nothing. I will use what I have and begin." They don't cry about what they didn't get. They don't wait for someone to rescue them. They take ownership. Think about Thomas Edison. He failed thousands of times before creating the light bulb. But he never wasted energy blaming conditions, people, or fate. He turned failure into fuel. The solution is clear. Accept full responsibility for your life. Write down your problems. Then write one solution for each. Take daily actions, even if small. One page of a book. One new English word. One new step toward your dream. Each action builds momentum. Each action builds a stronger you. Stop blaming. Start building. Your life belongs to you. Lesson 3. The comfort zone is a silent prison. Comfort feels good. It feels safe. Staying in bed feels warm. Watching videos feels easy. Repeating the same routine feels secure, but comfort is dangerous. Comfort kills dreams quietly. It makes you feel calm on the outside, while your growth is dying on the inside. There is no growth in the comfort zone. Success does not live there. Think about learning English. You can watch lessons for years. You can take notes forever. But if you never speak, you will never improve. To grow, you must feel nervous. You must make mistakes. You must sound strange. That is how progress happens. The same is true in life. If you wait for safety, you will never move. If you avoid risk, you will never rise. If you hide from rejection, you will never win. The solution is powerful but simple. Do one uncomfortable thing every single day. Speak English aloud, even if you feel afraid. Share your work online, even if people might laugh. Try something new, even if you might fail. Each uncomfortable step is a step forward. Each act of courage builds your future. Comfort feels sweet for a moment, but courage creates a lifetime of progress. Lesson 4. Later is a lie. I'll do it later. These 4 words are the biggest lie you tell yourself. They sound harmless, but they are deadly. Later feels safe. Later feels calm, but later is really a trap. Later keeps you stuck. Later steals your future. Because later usually means never. Time does not stop while you wait. The clock does not care about your feelings. Days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into months. Months turn into years. And still, your dream is waiting. I once knew a student who wanted to improve her English. She said, "I'll start after exams. I'll start after I get more free time." But the exams finished, the free time came, and she never started. Now, 5 years later, her dream of speaking fluent English is still only a dream. The solution is this: stop waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. Start now. Set a 10-minute timer. Read 1 page. Learn 1 word. Record 1 sentence. Small actions today beat big promises for tomorrow. Later is the enemy. Now is the answer. Lesson 5. You versus you. Your greatest enemy is not your teacher, not your boss, not your parents, not even your phone. Your greatest enemy is you. Inside you, there are 2 voices. One says, rest, quit, give up. The other says, rise, push, fight. One version of you wants safety. The other wants success. One is lazy. The other is strong. One hides. The other speaks with courage. Every day, one of them wins. Imagine 2 wolves live inside you. One wolf is weak, lazy, full of excuses. The other wolf is strong, disciplined, full of courage. Which wolf wins? The one you feed. Feed laziness with delay, and it grows stronger. Feed courage with action, and it grows stronger. The solution is simple. Track your small wins every day. Did you learn 1 new word? Write it down. Did you speak 1 sentence in English? Celebrate it. Did you take 1 step toward your dream? Mark it proudly. Small victories build strong identity. Step by step, you become the powerful version of yourself. Win against yourself each day, and no one else can stop you. Lesson 6, discipline over feelings. Your feelings are liars. You do not always feel like waking early. You do not always feel like studying. You do not always feel like exercising. But if you only follow your feelings, you will waste your life. Success does not wait for feelings. Success comes when you act, even when you don't want to. Discipline is the secret. Discipline is a muscle. At first, it feels weak. You try to resist comfort and fail. But the more you practice, the stronger it grows. Think of an athlete. He trains daily, even when he is tired. He doesn't always feel like running, but he runs anyway. That is how his strength is built. The same is true for you. Discipline grows with daily practice. Each small choice builds power. Turning off your phone instead of scrolling. Reading one page instead of sleeping. Speaking one word of English instead of staying silent. These small acts build unshakable willpower. The solution is clear. Choose one thing you don't feel like doing, then do it anyway. Tell yourself, I don't break promises to myself. Every time you keep that promise, you gain control over your life. Lesson 7, stop comparing, start becoming. Comparison is poison. It kills your joy. It kills your progress. Social media is full of shiny pictures, luxury cars, perfect bodies, smiling faces. But you only see the highlight, not the struggle, not the nights of failure, not the tears behind the smile. And yet you judge yourself by their highlight reel. This is unfair. Think of the ocean and the sky. The ocean is powerful and deep. The sky is wide and endless. If the ocean compares itself to the sky, it may feel small. If the sky compares itself to the ocean, it may feel empty. But both are beautiful in their own way, so are you. Your job is not to be them. Your job is to be the best version of you. The solution is simple. Measure yourself only against your own past. Ask, am I better than yesterday? Did I grow? Did I move one step closer to my dream? That is real progress. That is real success. Stop comparing. Start becoming. Lesson 8, success requires sacrifice. Nothing great is free. Every dream you want comes with a price. If you want freedom, you must sacrifice comfort. If you want success, you must sacrifice excuses. If you want fluency in English, you must sacrifice time, scrolling, sleeping, or wasting hours. Sacrifice feels painful in the moment, but regret feels far worse in the future. Think about it. You can sacrifice 1 hour of social media today, or you can sacrifice years of your life later wishing you had started earlier. You can sacrifice the comfort of silence, or you can sacrifice the chance to speak confidently in front of the world. The truth is clear. You will sacrifice something either way. Sacrifice comfort now, or sacrifice your dream later. The solution? Choose the sacrifice that builds you, not the one that breaks you. Give up what is easy so you can gain what is lasting. Lesson 9, action over motivation. Motivation feels good. It is like fire. It burns hot, but it burns out quickly. If you depend only on motivation, you will stop the moment you feel tired. The moment life gets hard, motivation disappears. That is why action must come first. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates results. And results bring back motivation. Think about learning English. You may not feel motivated to practice today, but if you take action, read one page, listen to one story, repeat one sentence, suddenly you feel progress. That progress lights a fire inside you, and that fire gives you new motivation. The cycle begins not with motivation, but with action. The solution is simple. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting to feel inspired. Act first. Motivation will follow. Lesson 10, focus is power. Your mind is like sunlight. If it spreads everywhere, it warms but does not burn. If you focus it like a magnifying glass, it can set fire to anything. Focus is power. Too many people try to do everything at once. They start 5 projects, they set 10 goals, they chase 20 dreams, and they finish nothing. But true growth comes from focus. One dream, one goal, one mission. When you focus, you multiply your energy. When you focus, you move faster than you ever imagined. Think of a river. When it spreads wide, the water is calm. But when it narrows, it becomes powerful enough to cut through stone. The solution? Choose your one most important goal. Cut the distractions. Give it your full energy. Even one focused year can transform your entire. Lesson 11, the power of environment. Your environment shapes your destiny. The people around you, the voices you listen to, the habits you see every day, they all influence who you become. If you surround yourself with lazy people, you will become lazy. If you surround yourself with dreamers and doers, you will rise higher. Think of a seed. Plant it in dry soil, and it dies. Plant it in rich soil, and it grows strong. You are the same. So ask yourself, who do I spend my time with? What do I watch? What do I listen to? What habits fill my room, my phone, my life? The solution is simple. Create an environment that supports your dream. Listen to English stories. Follow people who inspire growth. Spend time with learners who want the same success as you. Build the right environment, and your success becomes natural. Lesson 12, legacy over life. One day, your time will run out. No matter how strong you are, no matter how much money you have, no matter how many hours you collect, the end will come. But what remains is your legacy. Legacy is the story you leave behind. It is the difference you made. It is the people you inspired. It is the lessons you passed on. When people speak your name, what will they remember? That you wasted your days? Or that you lived with courage and gave your best? Every choice you make writes your legacy. Every hour you use becomes a message for the future. The solution is clear. Live with intention. Live with purpose. Use your time not only to build yourself, but to lift others. That is how you live forever, even after your time ends. Final reminder, time is your life. Every second is precious. Stop waiting for later. Stop blaming others. Escape your comfort zone. Win against yourself. Build discipline. Stop comparing. Sacrifice what is easy. Act before you feel ready. Focus your power. Shape your environment and build a legacy that lasts. Your dream is waiting. Your life is moving. The choice is in your hands. Will you waste it or will you live it? These are not just lessons. They are steps. And every step shapes your future. Take one step today, even if it feels small. Learn one new word in English. Write one sentence. Practice one moment of courage. Each small action builds your tomorrow. Your future is not waiting. It is calling. Answer it now. Use your time with purpose. And remember, subscribe so you never miss the next story, the next lesson, the next chance to grow.